Damn, that boat is going right into the water. Right into the waterfall pretty much. I wonder how bad it is for them. They might be falling off the water. I mean, falling off the boat. Probably not, but damn, that's intense. Dude, it just looks so much better on this side. Oh my god, you have such a perfect view. The people on like the other side in Buffalo, New York, where I was pretty much always every time I came to Niagara Falls, the view was so trash and you couldn't even really see the falls. It was only just like, but this side is so much better. This is my first time seeing it on Ontario side too. But at least on